Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an inventory update. Yep, this is how we are going to update the values. So this will show here you can select the item, whatever the item name you will select in here. You can enter the values in here, which could be positive or negative, and then press the submit input button. And if there is no entry available for that name, you will see a new entry in here. Otherwise, the value get updated if it is already available. Like this gangs fund, this is already available. Let's try this gang funds, and let me add another 1,000 so that it will become 0. You will see a change in here. See, it's gone. So again, I'll select the gang funds and I'll enter a new value minus 2,000. But if I'll not hit enter and I'll click the button submit input, what it's going to do, it's going to give you an alert that one value is missing and you have to try again. I'll press OK again, click outside and then press submit button, and here you will see a value updated. Oh, it's cleared, sorry. So let me add gang funds minus 2,000, hit enter, submit input, and here you will see a negative value, which is turned red because it's a negative value. Let me add another value to it, maybe 500 this time, which is positive, and here you will see the value got updated, 1500. So I'll take this one. I don't need to select every time from the drop down. I can select in here, Control Shift V to get the values, hit 4000 maybe, and press enter, and here you will see the value got updated, 4500. And there is an additional thing in here. You can see all the entries I just made are recorded in here and with the email addresses. If someone else is using this sheet, the or maybe more than one person are using this sheet, they will also get logged in which user is making this change. So this is an additional thing from my side. So you can always hide this if you don't want to see it. And now you will get the complete log, and here you will see the unique values, unique entries with the total of relevant totals. So that's it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.